Kathy McLeod, owner of the Organic Cleaning Machine. Today I'm going to give you a little tutorial about how to remove any tape from any areas in your home. Today the tape is in this beautiful tub. So this is the tip for you. We're going to make a little wet with Dawn dish soap and water. And I'm going to use the magic eraser. But I'm not going to scratch that. I'm just going to make it right now like a soak to make it soak it off. And now I'm going to use Goof Off. Now please remember, never spray the Goof Off directly to the area. We're gonna use one of our rags and we're gonna spray it on the rag. We're gonna see if this way it starts to get soft that we can remove it. If we see that it doesn't get so soft, we're gonna use a blade. And the blade, we have to be very careful because we don't want to scratch the top. We're very careful to see how you start removing it. It's like a gum. It's coming off nicely. Then use the rag. You see, it starts to soften up. You just continue repeat this method until it's totally gone. I'm gonna use the blade a little bit more here. It's coming off. Now it's almost gone. And you have that tape totally removed from your top. I hope this video was helpful for you. When you use the blade, be very careful because we don't want you to have any injuries. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, share. And if you are local, Bloomington Normal, call us at 862-4373 for any construction jobs, remodeling, residential cleaning, windows, anything that you want us to do for you in your home, we will be more than happy to help you. Keep us in mind, and we'll see you later. Bye.